Today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go here, you go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down, you click here on settings down here. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. You come here to push notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean push notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.